Hello students, Miss Sujata this side. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today in this video lecture, we will start chapter 3 of your EVS book, that is poem Water O Water. This poem is written by poet Shri Prasad. Kids, do you know? Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All plants, animals and we humans need water to survive. In our daily life, from day to night, we use water, like bathing, cooking, washing clothes and dishes, cleaning our houses, and most importantly, drinking. Plants also need water to grow. So, you should save water and use it wisely. Dear kids, in this poem, we will learn about different forms and different sources of water. And you will also get to know about the importance of water in human and plant life. Dear kids, now let us read a poem. I'll wash my face with water, said Munna to his nanny. We all quench our thirst with water. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Dear kids, now let us understand this stanza. We all quench our thirst with water. Dear kids, quench means to satisfy the feeling of thirst. Whenever we feel thirsty, we drink water. We are all alive because of water. Kids, water is very important for our body. We cannot live without water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Dear kids, water is present on earth from millions of years and has so many stories that if we start writing, it can fill many pages. Now let us read the next stanza. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what says my nanny. Students, now let us understand this stanza. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Kids, dew means small drops of water that you see on leaves in the morning. So, dew is a form of water. Similarly, snow is also a form of water. It is solid form of water. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has forms so many. That is what says my nanny. Students, steam is also a form of water. You all must have seen steam. The hot vapors coming out of boiling water is known as steam. So water exists in many forms. It can be solid, liquid and gas. Dear students, now let us quickly sum up what we studied in today's video. Today we learned importance of water. Life is not possible without water and therefore we should never waste this precious resource. We also learned 3 new words in today's lecture. First is dew, which means small drops of water on the leaves. Next, snow, which is beautiful white solid form of water. And the last one, steam, which is gaseous form of water. Kids, I hope today's lecture is clear to you all. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.